Power cut and suddenly your computer shuts down. Important file gone. Online class disconnected. Work lost. Game not saved. But what if a compact UPS could save your devices during power cuts and even run a BLDC fan also? So hello viewers, today we are going to review and test the Luminous Pro 600 UPS. In this video we will cover box overview and unboxing, feature analysis, real life laptop testing, BLDC fan testing during power cut, pros and cons and final verdict. If frequent power cuts happen in your area, then the popular Luminous LB600 Pro UPS is the right choice for you. Watch till the end. Luminous is a trusted brand in India and its Luminous LB600 Pro UPS is really good, value for money and long lasting. I bought my first Luminous UPS in 2020 and it is still working perfectly. I have bought the second Luminous UPS for my laptop. I bought an Infinix laptop but after 2-3 years its battery health dropped to 0 and stopped working completely. I searched for a replacement battery and service center but couldn't find proper support. So I decided to buy an external UPS instead. That's why I use the UPS with my laptop now. Since the internal battery is dead, the laptop works more like a desktop PC. And thanks to the Luminous UPS which helped keep my laptop alive and running smoothly now. This UPS comes with 24-month on-site warranty on both UPS and battery. And on-site warranty provides peace of mind as a technician visits your location for repair or replacement if any issue occurs. 24/7 toll-free numbers. Regulated output voltage window. This doesn't provide the pure sine wave, but it is almost very close to the sine wave. It also features no load shutdown for battery saving. Other side of the box pack, the technical specification has been written. Voltage and frequency of the input and output respectively. Transfer time is 4.8 millisecond. That means during the power cut, the load transfers instantly to the battery. Output rating is 600 VA but practically we are getting 360 watt due to the 0.6 power factor. This UPS contains 12 volt 7.5 ampere hour sealed lead acid battery. MRP written here 5000 around but got the product only at 2200 around from the e-commerce site. Now let's have a glance on the key features. Microcontroller based design, generator compatible, smart charge plus intelligent continuous charging profile, 3 battery backed output sockets, wide input voltage window, sleep mode charging, overload protection fuse, audio and visual alarms, automatic voltage regulation, cold start capable, fast charging 4 to 6 hours, no load shutdown. Now let's open the box. The company has packed and delivered the UPS with proper care and with necessary protection. Inside the box pack, beside the main unit, you will get the user manual. You can pause the video and read the user manual to understand this product, or watch the video to get all information about this item, how to connect and operate it. Now let's have a glance on the main unit, that is the Luminous UPS LB600 Pro. This 3-pin power cord has the specification 6 ampere 250 volt and it is long enough to connect with the PC or laptop. Now comes the real life testing. Before that, read the instruction carefully how to switch the UPS on or off correctly. Here the necessary specification has been written including the input output voltages and with the serial number. Output power rating 600 VA. This UPS comes with 3 universal 3-pin output sockets allowing you to connect multiple devices like laptop, Wi-Fi routers, TV or charging adapters at the same time. This UPS features a convenient power switch for easy on and off control. It also comes with 3 LED indicators that display the present working status of the UPS. The green light shows normal operation, yellow light indicates battery backup mode during power cuts, and the red light warns about the overload or low battery condition. It's 4.4 kg and comes with 4 round anti-skid base supports that provide better grip and stability on the surface. It is well ventilated from both the upper and lower sides for efficient heat management and improved cooling during operation. This is Infinix X1 Slim laptop which currently does not have any internal battery backup. Normally during power cuts the laptop immediately shuts down. But after connecting through this UPS during power failure the laptop keeps running smoothly. Even with a dead laptop battery, the laptop can run smoothly by connecting it to the Luminous LB600 Pro UPS without replacing the battery. Solid green LED shows the UPS is connected to the AC mains. Now let's connect the laptop adapter to one of the 3-pin output socket on the rear panel of the Luminous LB600 Pro UPS. Now press the power switch of the UPS and turn on the laptop. The laptop is now connected to the AC mains through the UPS. In case of power failure, the laptop will not shut down immediately as it will continue running on UPS backup power. Now let's switch off the extension board to simulate a power cut. And you can see that the laptop continues running smoothly on the battery backup of Luminous LB600 Pro UPS. Now another one load we will connect, that is the Atomberg BLDC fan along with the laptop. Now let's check whether it can handle both the Atomberg fan and the laptop together at the same time. So let's test the performance of the UPS under dual load condition. Now the Atomberg fan is running smoothly even in the boost mode, and the UPS is handling both loads properly without any issues. The question is, how long does it last? During my testing, both the laptop and the fan continued running for around 35 to 40 minutes during a power cut. UPS also supports fast charging and takes around 4 to 6 hours to recharge itself completely. Now let's quickly see the pros and cons of this UPS. Pros: compact design, trusted Luminous brands, smooth switching, useful safety features, AVR support, and good voltage handling. Cons: not suitable for heavy appliances, limited backup for high load, and mainly designed for low power electronics. So this UPS is useful for desktop users, students, home office setup, routers, and basic backup needs. And if this video helps you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech reviews and gadget testing videos. Thank you.